my name is Arnav, and today I want to show you my new Hot Wheels truck I got. Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
So which brand is this?
It's like a car carrying truck.
Okay.
Like it just comes with a cool stunt.
Can you open it?
I'm not sure if I can do this, but let's just see.
Okay.
Good. It's starting to appear to be amazing. Oh, it starts to open. Open up, please. Open up. And here it is. So cool, right, guys? So now that we have unboxed it,
You have to rotate the below one.
oh yeah, like that.
No, I'll show. So it has to be like this.
Okay. Oh, like that.
Yeah.
So it comes like with a little machine. And this little giant things. Okay, boom, boom. There we go. And here it is.
Wait.
Oh,
In the back also we have to cut it, right? So get a knife. Cut it from here.
Okay. Boom. Okay, remove this. And look at this, guys. It's the truck. Boom, boom. Here we go. And now what can you do? Oh, yeah. You can. So let's first also remove the rubber.
Okay. Oh, cool.
So now you can like pull this. So like it can go like meow. It can go like that. And also let's remove this rubber. And boom.
Cars you got.
I got about 10 of them.
My God, that's huge, right?
Get that, guys, right? Wait, I think this one has like a machine. No, it doesn't have a machine. Yay! So here's all the cars. It looks amazing, right, guys? Yeah, so let's start with the truck one. So what does this switch? I don't think this switch does anything.
Okay.
So let's start it up. So I think you can just go like this, like.
Cool.
Oh wait. Can you do something like this? This is so cool. Wait, this one is kind of like it's kind of like the car character thing. So like that.
Cool. What you are doing?
I'm parking the cars.
Oh, you have a parking. Oh, nice.
So like you can just go like. So look, these two cars are parked.